These 3 daily mistakes are quietly making your body feel older than it actually is, and most people do all 3. Welcome to Fit Eat Fuel. In this video, we're not talking about aging. We're talking about habits that make your body feel older than it should. Because in most cases, it's not age doing the damage. It's what you repeat every single day, without noticing. And the worst part is, these habits don't feel harmful in the moment. But over time, they slowly reduce how capable your body feels. Let's break them down. The first mistake is simple: sitting too much. Now, sitting itself is not the problem. The problem is when sitting becomes your default for most of the day. Because the longer your body stays inactive, the more it starts switching things off. Your muscles stop engaging, your joints stiffen, and basic movements start feeling unfamiliar. That's when even something as simple as getting up starts feeling harder. So instead of trying to do more, start by bringing back what your body already understands. Sit to stand. Sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward and slowly stand up. Pause for a moment, then slowly sit back down. That's 1 repetition. Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move slowly. Use your hands if needed. This simple movement brings strength back into daily life. Now, once your body starts moving again, the next mistake becomes clear. Because it's not just about doing less, it's about what you start avoiding. This one is subtle. You take the lift instead of stairs. You avoid carrying things. You choose the easier option again and again. And it feels harmless. But what you're actually doing is removing the small challenges that keep your body capable. Your body only keeps what it is forced to use. And when effort disappears, strength quietly follows. So we bring back controlled effort in a simple way. Sit with your back straight and both feet on the floor. Slowly lift 1 leg forward. Pause. Then bring it back down. Switch sides. Let's do 10 repetitions on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the other side the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the movement slow and controlled. This may feel simple, but this is exactly what your body stops doing when you avoid effort for too long. Now here's where most people make the biggest mistake. After doing too little for too long, they suddenly try to do too much. This is where things go wrong. After weeks or months of low activity, people jump into intense workouts. Too fast, too hard, and the body is not ready. So instead of building strength, it creates discomfort, fatigue, or even pain. And what happens next? They stop again, and the cycle repeats. So instead of extremes, we rebuild strength with control. Stand in front of a chair. Slowly lower yourself down as if you're about to sit, but stop halfway. Hold that position for a few seconds. Then slowly stand back up. Let's do 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower, hold, and come back up. Move slowly. Use support if needed. This teaches your body to handle effort again without overwhelming it. If you look at these 2 movements together, they fix something very basic: your ability to get up and your ability to control your legs. And these are the movements your body depends on every single day. Most people don't lose their ability because they didn't do complex workouts. They lose it because they stop doing the basics often enough. So remember this, your body is always adapting. The question is, are your daily habits making it feel stronger or older? If this helped you understand what might really be happening, subscribe to Fit Eat Fuel and start making small changes that keep your body capable every single day.